morning, everyone. I hope you had a really good weekend. While I was sitting on my veranda this morning, I was thinking about all the things I've missed while in lockdown. And there's quite a list of things that I've missed, but I think one of the things I really want to do as soon as I get a chance to do that after lockdown finishes is go diving again. For those of you who've dived, it's an amazing adventure. There's such beauty under the water, from sharks to turtles to caves, even the tiny little corals, such detail and such beauty. It's a real adventure. But when you do go scuba diving, you need to load quite a lot of equipment. You need wetsuits and fins, BCs and a mask. But there's one thing that you really need when you go diving, and that is spit. And I'm sure you're thinking, why spit? When you go diving, you need to make sure you spit in your mask before you go into the water, because if you don't spit in your mask ends up being foggy, and when you have a foggy mask under the water, you pretty much see nothing, and that's a real problem, because you can get the feeling of water and weightlessness, but without seeing anything, it's a bit of a terrible adventure. The science behind that is obviously whenever you go under the water, there's a difference in temperature between your mask and the water, and so there's little droplets that form. But with the spit, it breaks the surface tension, and so those little droplets form bigger droplets, and they run off the mask, and that's why you can see a lot better. But I think having a foggy mask, some of us walk around life having a bit of a foggy mask, and sometimes we don't see the adventures, we don't see the bigger picture in life. We end up not being able to see where we're going. And I think there's three things in my mind that make things foggy for us. I think the first one, if you use the word fog, the F is feeling sorry for ourselves. Maybe I should have this, or if only I was prettier, or if I was stronger, or if I was smarter, if only I had a family who lived here, or I had the opportunity to do this. And so sometimes feeling sorry for ourselves really makes things foggy. Now, I know people have gone through some really difficult times, and I'm not belittling that at all, because those difficult times are tough. But we must see those difficult times as being able to build resilience and be able to get through them, make us stronger and tougher. The second thing in fog is the O, and I think the O would stand for the opinions of others. Sometimes opinions of others get our mind quite foggy. On social media, seeing what people should be looking like, seeing what we should be following, the opinions of people, this is what you should be looking like, this is what you should be doing, instead of actually just walking in your truth and making sure that you understand who you are and not worrying about the opinions of others. Then the third thing, the G, would be gadgets. And I know some of you are saying, well, you know what, I don't know why my parents always moan at me for time spent on PlayStation, or they're always saying, why are you always on that phone? And it's not really that they don't want you to be on those gadgets. It's they don't want you to live life through that tiny little screen. They want you to have the adventure. They want you to be looking up. They don't want you to be chasing after who likes this photo that I'm posting, how many followers do I have, who should I be following. They want you to be who you want to be and have that adventure. I think that's quite important. So remember, don't let fog cloud your view on life. Look at the bigger picture, all right? So you shouldn't be feeling sorry for yourself. Don't worry about the opinions of others. And definitely get your head out of those gadgets sometimes, just so you can see the adventure that the world has in store for you. So, I've got another acronym for you. Remember, to get rid of fog from your mask, you need spit. So, I want you to stay focused on what's important. I want you to be able to persevere through those tough times. I want you to say, I am important, and I was made for a purpose, and there's nobody that can tell me anything else. And then the last thing is T, for being together. Together, the opportunities are endless. So this week, I would like you to add a little spit to your week and make sure that you can look around see the bigger picture, and see the beauty in all the detail that we have. Now I'd like to pass on to the sports department just to see what they have been up to this week.
Hello boys and girls, I'd like to say thank you for everyone who took part in the class challenge. Today I'm just going to announce the winners and just show you the results of some of our amazing attempts to the challenges. So the winners for grade 4 is 4R, grade 5, 5A, grade 6, 6R, grade 7, 7D. Then the overall class winner is 5A, yes, yeah. So I'd like to say thank you to everyone and to Mr. Foyun for creating the hashtag. So let's keep the hashtag going. Hashtag beat Coach Tabang. Let's go!
I hope you're all staying healthy and active and not driving moms and dads up the wall. Well done on your 2020 challenges. Although I know that we can do a lot better than what we did the week before, let's make sure that we smash this week out and that we get a donation to the Hunger Relief Fund. Remember to stay on tune with your online PE, your online soccer and your online netball, phys ed programs and extramural programs so you can stay nice and strong and healthy and fit. Remember, if you have any videos of you and your mom and dad or brothers and sisters doing anything at home to stay healthy and active, please feel free to show me. I'm really excited to see what you guys are doing at home. Other than that, just know that all the teachers and all the sports staff really miss you guys out on the field and in the classrooms, and we'll definitely be seeing you soon. Stay healthy and stay safe. Bye for now.
Thank you, Mr. Smallcombe. A whole lot of people were caught looking good this week, and they are Derek Caladizo, Kirani Woodley, David Ashcraft, Rebecca Cook, Caitlin Scrimmager, Kivison Chetty, Stravos Papert Christodoulou, Danica Alexander, Ella Maisel, Rihan Akuji, Shira Komal, Nathan Smith, and we had 2 teachers this week, Mrs. Bierman and Mrs. Galanders. Well done for looking good, everybody. Have a great week and stay safe.